Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss chapter 11 Algebra, exercise 11.3, question number 1. Question number 1 है make up as many expression with numbers, no variable, as you can form three numbers 5, 7 and 8. Every number should be used not more than once. Use only addition, subtraction, multiplication. Okay. So here given number is 6, 7 and 8. So first write here given numbers are given. Okay. Here we make up many expressions with the numbers as you can form three numbers 5, 7 and 8. Write the given numbers are 5, 7 and 8. This is three numbers given 5, 7 and 8. We need to many expressions with algebraic with operation, addition, subtraction and multiplications. Condition is given here, every number should be used not more than once. Use only addition, subtraction and multiplication. This is the arithmetic operations. Division is also arithmetic operation, but here this question is allowed only used to three arithmetic operation, addition, multiplication and subtractions. Okay, so given all possible, write here all possible expressions. Okay, so through this number 5, 7 and 8. So you write all possible expression. All possible expressions will make up through given three numbers 5, 7, 8 and three arithmetic operation, addition, subtraction and multiplication. So okay, you can see here. First you write 5 plus 7. Okay, into 8. Or you can write again 5 into 8 plus 7. Or next is 5 into 8 minus 7. 7 minus 5 into 8. Here you can see we use the third digit 5, 7, 8 and arithmetic operations. Okay, two arithmetic operations, subtraction and multiplication, addition and multiplication, multiplication and addition, multiplication and subtraction. This is clear now. Next is we write here again 7 into 5 minus 8, 7 into 5 plus 8. This is here. Also write 8 minus 7 into 5. So in this way you make so many expressions without variables. Okay, you can see here no variables 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and we make two more expressions. Okay, so we can write such types. Okay, now and so on you can make. This is clear. So here you can see without variables you make expressions with the help of three numbers 5, 7 and 8 and three operations, addition, subtraction and multiplications. Okay, so student, I hope all of you understood this question. Now we are going to discuss next question number 2 exercise 13.3. This is given that identify the operation addition, subtraction, multiplication, division in forming the following expression and tell how the expression has been formed. Okay, so let's see how to form how to identify the operation and how to know how to know the given expression have been formed. Okay, so let's see. This is question number 1. So I hope all of understood this question number 1. Now we are going to discuss question number 2. This is clear? No. So here, this is question number 2. In question number 2, this is first part. This is given y plus 3. Sorry, this is given z plus 1. Z plus 1. So here, which operation is used here? I repeat this question again. Identify the operation addition, subtraction, division, multiplication in forming the following expression and tell how the expressions have been formed. So z plus 1. So here you can write addition. The operation is here additions. Okay, because question asked identify the operation. So here operation is addition. This is clear. Now, after this question asked, tell how the expression have been formed. So how this expression have been formed? You can write here. You can say 1 is added to z. You write here 1 is added to z. So expression is formed 1. You write here 1 added to z. Added to z. Okay. Now the next expression is z minus 1. Z minus 1. So which operation are used? So here you can see this is minus means subtraction operation is used here. So you write here subtraction operation is used here. How the expression has been formed? So you can say 1 subtracted from z. You write here 1 subtracted from z. Here you can see 1 subtracted from z. This is clear. Now the next is y plus 17. Y plus 17. So which operation is used here? Operation is plus. So you can say this is addition operation is used here. So you write addition. Addition operation is used here. And how can these expressions have been formed? How the expression have been formed? Here you can say 17 added to y. 17 added to y. You write 17 added to y. This is clear. Next part of this first part of question number 2 is y minus 17. Y minus 17. So which operation is used here? Obviously you can say subtraction. Subtraction is used here. How this expression has been formed? So you can say this expression has been formed 17 subtracted from y. You write here 17 subtracted from y. 17 subtracted from y. This is clear. So student, I hope all of you understood this part. Now we are going to discuss second part of this question number 2. And second part is 17y, y divided by 17, 5z. So let's see how can we solve second part of this question. Okay, so let's see second part of question number 2. In second part of question number 2, all equation has used multiplication and division. Okay. Question 2 has identify the operation addition, subtraction, multiplication and division in forming the following expression and tell how the expression have been formed. Okay. So second part of question number 2 is 17y. 17y is 17 into y. Okay. So which operation is used here? Obviously you can say multiplication. So here you use multiplication. Multiplication is used here. And how the expression has been formed? So you can write multiplication. Okay. How the expression has been formed? So you can write 17 y multiplied by 17. You write here how the expression has been formed. You write here y multiplied by y multiplied by 70. This is clear. Y multiplied by 70. Okay. Now the next part of this part, second is y divided by 70. So here which operation you use? Here obviously you can say divide. Okay. So you write here division operation is used here. Division. Okay. Operation is used here. And how the expression have been formed? How the expression have been formed? So you can say y divided by 17. Okay. So how the expression have been formed? Write here y divided by 17. This is clear. Y divided by you can write it divided. Y divided by 17. This is clear. Now the next part of question second is 5z. 5z. Also you can write it. This is equal to 5 into z. Okay. So which operation is used here? Obviously you can say here multiplication operation is used. So you write here multiplication. Operation is used here. And how this expression has been formed? So you can say z multiplied by 5. This is right. How the expression has been formed? We write here for this answer z multiplied by 5. Z multiplied by 5. Okay. Now, so in this way we complete the second part of second questions. In this part we need to identify the operation and how this expression have been formed. Okay. So here you can see 17y. It means that here either operation is used operation is multiplication, and how this expression has been formed. And so this expression has been formed y multiplied by 17. Clear? Now y by 17. It means that here division is used. No? Division operation is used here, and how this operation has been formed. And so y divided by 17. This is clear. Now the next is 5z. So So 5z, you can write it 5 into z. So obviously you can see here which operation is used. We have identified operation in multiplication. So how these expressions have been formed. So you can say z multiplied by 5. This is clear. Now the next part of this question up to, so third part of question number 2. What have in third part of question number 2, you can see after some moment. Third part in question number 2 is 2y plus 70. Third part in question number 2 is 2y plus 70. Okay. So student, first we need to identify which operation is used here. Okay, identify the operation. So which operation is used here? You can say here multiplication, this is addition. So you can write here multiplication, and addition. Both operations is used here. Okay, 2y into y, the multiplication operation is used, and plus 17, this is here, addition operation is used. Okay, so after this we need to write here how the expression has been formed. Okay, how the equation has been formed. So we write here first y multiplied by 2. After this 2 added, after this 17 added to the product. Here you can write first y multiplied by, then write how the expression has been formed. So write first y is multiplied by 2 and then 17, then 17 added to the product. 17 added to the product. You also write the result. In the place of product, you also write here a result. This is clear. First, y multiplied by 2. Okay, and then 17 is added to the product. This is clear. Now, the next part of this question is y minus 2y minus 17. 2y minus 17. So first we identify the operations used in this expression. Here you can say 2y means 2 into y. So multiplication operation, minus 17 you can say subtraction operation. Okay. So you write which multiplication is used here? Multiplication. Which operation is used here? Multiplication. And subtraction. Subtraction is used here. Multiplication and subtraction is used here. After this, we need to write here how the expression have been formed. So first write here first y multiplied by 2 and then 17 subtract from the result. Okay, so you write first what happened first? Y multiplied by 2 and then 17 subtracted the result from the result. Okay. Here you can see 2y minus 70. So in this expression, multiplication and the subtraction option have used, and how expression have been found. So you can say first y multiplied by 2. After this, 17 subtracted from the result. Means 17 subtracted from the 2y. This is clear. Now the next part is the part of this question number 2. So let's see. Student, I hope all of you understood and you are able to recognize the operation in which given expressions, and also you are able to know how the expression have been formed. Okay. So let's see the last part of this question number 2. What have been last part of question number 2? This is the fourth part of question number 2. This is clear. Now in question number in the first part of question number 2 है, this is D part of fourth part. Okay. 7 am. This is given 7 am. So which operation is used here? Obviously you know very well 7 am means 7 into m. So here multiplication is used. Multiplication operation is used here. So that is multiplication. Multiplication. Here now. After you write here how the expression have been found. So this expression you write here m multiplied by 7 and this m multiplied by 7. This is clear. 7m. We identify the operation is multiplication and how the expression has been found. So you can write m multiplied by 7. This is clear. Now minus 7 plus 13. Minus 7 plus 3. The next expression is minus 7m plus 3. So here identify the operation. So first operation is what? This is not subtraction. Here it is multiplication. Minus 7 is what? Minus 7m. You can write it minus 7. This is one negative integer into m. So here operation is used only multiplication, not subtraction. This is clear. Here the operation is used only multiplication, not subtraction. This is very clear. Okay. Now, so we write here multiplication. Here also plus. This is addition. So right. So we identify the operation is multiplication and the addition. Okay. So we write here multiplication. Multiplication and addition. Addition. Multiplication in the additions. Okay. Now and now we are need to write here how this expression have been found. So you can write here m is multiplied by minus 7 and then 3 related to the result. Okay. So write here m multiplied by 7m minus 7m and then 3 added to the result. M multiplied by 7m and 3 added to the result. This is clear. Now the next part of this question is that minus 7m minus 7m minus 3. Okay. So here we need to identify the operation, arithmetic operation. So minus 7 here you can see minus 7 you can write minus 3. So this is minus 3. So you can write it minus 7 into m minus 3. So here only you have two operations, multiplication and subtractions. Okay. This subtraction, this is negative integers. This is clear. So you can write here multiplication and subtraction. Multiplication and subtraction. Subtraction are used. Here we identify the operation. Which option is here used? Multiplication and subtractions. And here we need to write how the expression have been formed. So you can write, you can say here m multiplied by minus 7 and then the result is what? Then the result is subtracted from 3. Okay, so you write here first m multiplied by minus 7m and then 3 subtracted from, then 3 subtracted from the result, from the product or from the result. Clear? So student, in this way you can see here that 7m, here we identify the operation. Which operation is used here? Multiplication. In this, and how the expression have been formed. So you can say m is multiplied by 7. This is very clear. Now in this expression 7 minus 7m plus 3. So obviously you can say multiplication and the addition are used here. Okay, and how the expression have been formed. So you can say m is multiplied by minus 7 and 3 is added to the result. M is multiplied by minus 7 and 3 added to the result. This is clear now. And the next one, minus 7m minus 3. So here you can see which operation is used. So you can say multiplication and subtractions. Two operations are used here, multiplication and subtractions, and how the expression have been formed. So you can say m is multiplied by minus 7 and then 3 subtracted from the product. Product means result. Result means minus 7 from minus 7m. When you multiply m by minus 7, then you get minus 7m. After this, the 3 subtracted from this result means minus 7. So you can write a minus 7 m minus 3. Clear? Now the next part of this question number 2 is fifth part. What is fifth part? Let's say in fifth part of this question 2y minus 5. In fifth part 2y minus 5. So which option is used here? Obviously you can say multiplication and subtractions. Okay, so here write operation is used multiplication and subtraction. This is clear. Now after this we need to write here how the expression have been formed. So you can say first y multiplied by 2. After this 5 is subtracted from the result. So you write first y multiplied by 2 and then 5 subtracted from the result, Okay, you also write the product. Clear? So student, I hope all of you understood this part and you are able to recognize the arithmetic operations and how the expressions have been found. Okay, so thank you for watching. Jai Hind.